The instructions for this problem are to express as a single log and then reduce if possible. For this example, we see that we have arguments that have multiple pieces. In other words, the entire argument of the first log is x squared minus 25, and then the entire argument for the second piece is x minus 5. Make sure, whatever you do, do not confuse the quotient rule with what we have here. You have a log, and then inside the log you have a difference. That is not the same as saying that you have a log of the first minus a log of the second. It's not the same thing, so be careful that you know you cannot distribute logs across sums or differences inside of your argument. Now, to be able to figure out what to do first, look and just go left to right. We have a log here, a log there, and we have a subtraction sign between those two logs. That means the first step is to use the quotient rule. Quotient rule says that you're going to take the two logs and rewrite them as a single log. You put the argument of the first in the numerator and then the argument of the second in the denominator. Well, we've now rewritten this problem as a single log. From here, all we need to do is simplify. The log part has been done, so we need to do the algebra on the argument. Notice that the top is a polynomial that factors. It's a difference of squares. So x squared minus 25 would factor as x plus 5 and x minus 5. And then we would keep the x minus 5 that we have on the bottom. Then notice that the x minus 5 on the bottom and the x minus 5 on the top would cancel. And so this would become log of x plus 5. That is completed. Make sure, like I was noting earlier, that you know that you cannot distribute that log over the x and the x plus 5 that you have inside the argument. So this one is complete.